Hi students, today's topic is reflector types and its related features, topic number 3.5 in our AWP subject. What are reflector types? First we will learn, then we will go for other points. Reflector antennas are classified based on the shape of the reflecting surface. Common types are flat sheet reflector, next corner reflector, next parabolic reflector, next cylindrical reflector, last one is spherical reflector. Okay, different mirrors serve different purposes that you should notice. Flat or curved or concave are different reflectors. They have different reflectors shapes. They are used for different communication needs, different applications. Number two, flat sheet reflector. Flat sheet reflector is simply a metal plate placed behind the antenna. What for? It reflects the backward waves towards the front side in desired direction. What for? To increase the directivity. Okay? Next point, corner reflector. First, how to make it corner reflector we will learn, then we will go for its uses. A corner reflector consists of two flat metal sheets and joined at an angle usually 90 degrees. What for? That 90 degrees joining angle we have to maintain. It will provide multiple reflections and creates a stronger forward beam than a single flat reflector for that purpose only. Okay, next, fourth one. Which reflector? Parabolic reflector. This is important one out of so many reflectors. A parabolic reflector has a curved dish shape. Waves from the feed placed at the focus are reflected into parallel beams. What for parallel beams? It will produce very high gain. How to produce high gain means parallel beams at the receiving end will be added so that all signal to noise ratio will be increased, signal strength. Thereby high gain is obtained. Okay. Next, cylindrical spherical reflector. Fifth one, cylindrical spherical reflectors. Here you can tell like this. Cylindrical reflector focuses the waves in one direction only. What about spherical reflector? Spherical reflector reflects the waves in many directions, in unwanted directions, wastage of power, but it suffers from focusing errors, which is not useful. Okay, next, features, related features. What are those? Number one, gain. Different reflector types provide different gain levels. Example, we will see reflectors. Flat reflectors have low gain. What about corner reflectors? Corner reflectors provide moderate gain. Parabolic reflectors, they will provide highest gain. This you should remember. Parabolic reflectors provide highest gain compared to remaining types. That you should remember. What is directivity feature గురించి we will learn now. The ability to concentrate energy in one direction. What for? Which increases directivity. To increases directivity, that means gain. Focus beam, narrow beam for that purpose. This is achieved from flat reflectors to parabolic reflectors. Okay. A live example is satellite dishes receive signals from a specific satellite because they have very high directivity. Next feature, beam width. Reflectors with higher gain produce narrower beams, very narrow beams. Flat reflectors have wider beams, while parabolic reflectors produce very narrow beams, which are essential in the radar systems to detect the moving targets. Okay, in my house, in my house, while watering the plants, I will use sprinkler, which spreads water to water all plants at a time. Like that, different applications, different things will use. Okay, if I use narrow jet only at specific direction, only particular plant can be wet. That is for another application. Now we will see another feature, size and applications. Larger reflectors will provide better performance but require more installation space. Small reflectors are used in Wi-Fi systems that you should understand the difference. Okay, I want to summarize this topic in simple manner. Each reflector type has its own advantages that you should notice. For example, flat reflectors are simple. Next, corner reflectors provide better directivity. Next, cylindrical reflectors are useful for line focusing. Last one, parabolic reflectors provide highest gain and also they provide narrowest beam for long distance microwave communication purpose. Okay, bye. Thank you, students.